Hi there. We've got a square. I know it's a square because all four sides are marked congruent, and it has four 90-degree angles. And the side length is given as 5x plus 1, which means they're all 5x plus 1. And then it has a hole in the middle that's a circle, and the radius of that is x. So how do you do this? Well, problems like this are all done the same way. You take the area of the big thing and you subtract the area of the little thing. The square area will be length times width. And the area of a circle, if you forgot it, is pi r squared. So the area of the yellow part would be 5x plus 1 squared. And then you subtract the area, which I'm going to write as pi x squared because the radius is x. Now what this is, if you don't take any illegal shortcuts, you are supposed to multiply 5x plus 1 times 5x plus 1, and then we would subtract the area of the square. But let's just deal with this thing first. I'm going to take out another screen here. I don't know how people learned how to do this, but when I taught it two different ways. There's FOIL, which is kind of like a fancy distributive property. F stands for first, so we take the first terms times each other. 5x times 5x is going to be 25x squared. O stands for outer. That would be this 5x times the 1. They're on the outside, so 5x times 1 is 5x. Inner, 1 times 5x is also 5x. And last would be the 1 times the 1, which is 1. Now add the two 5x's together, and we get 25x squared plus 10x plus 1. Now, if you like a different method, if this feels weird to you, I like boxes too. I mean, I really like boxes. 5x plus 1 on the top, 5x plus 1 down the side. Then you use it like a multiplication table. 5x times 5x is 25x squared. 5x times 1 is 5x. 1 times 5x is 5x. And 1 times 1 is 1. Now you just write your answer out. We have 25x squared. Then we'll add the 5x's together. And then we already have the 1. So 25x squared plus 10x plus 1. Same thing, right? Just done two different ways. You pick which way you like. So back to this. We know that that is 25x squared plus 10x plus 1, and we're still subtracting pi x squared. You might think this is a good answer, but if this is some kind of a multiple choice, this may not be what's there. You have two terms that are like terms, so we need to put those together. So next to this 25x squared, I'm going to rewrite the minus pi x squared. Now here's something. You're going to be tempted to change that pi to 3.14. It isn't like a horribly wrong thing to do, but in upper level math, you usually don't. So I'm going to show you how to finish this if you're not allowed to do that. These two terms have a common factor of x squared. I'm going to pull that out. And this is the final answer. That's as far as we can go with it.